Unraveling the mystery of ribosomes, the protein factories. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of cellular biology to understand a term that often comes up: ribosomes. While this might seem like a scientific mouthful, fear not. We'll break it down together, making it easy to grasp for everyone, no matter your background in science. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of ribosomes. Ribosomes are tiny, yet mighty, structures within all living cells that play a crucial role in producing proteins. You can think of them as the cell's very own protein-making factories. Proteins are essential for countless functions in every living organism. They are like the workers that keep the city of your body running smoothly. Ribosomes themselves are made up of two major components: ribosomal RNA and proteins. They float freely in the cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substance inside a cell, or they might be attached to another structure called the endoplasmic reticulum. But regardless of where they are, their job remains the same: to make proteins by linking together amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, in a specific order. The process of making proteins is called protein synthesis, and it happens in two main stages: transcription and translation. 1. During transcription, the information in a cell's DNA is copied onto a molecule called messenger RNA, mRNA. 2. The mRNA then travels to a ribosome, which reads the mRNA and translates the genetic information into a protein during the translation stage. The ribosome does this by matching the mRNA with the correct amino acids to create a chain, which will fold into a functioning protein. The ability of ribosomes to read the genetic code and produce the right proteins is critical for a cell to function properly and, by extension, for the entire organism's health and well-being. You might be wondering, why is this important for me? Well, knowing about ribosomes can help you understand how your body works on a microscopic level. Plus, ribosomes are crucial in the field of biotechnology and medicine. For instance, some antibiotics work by targeting bacterial ribosomes, and understanding how ribosomes function can help us in the fight against diseases. Moreover, for English language learners who are interested in science or medicine, being familiar with terms like ribosomes is essential, as they are fundamental to many discussions in these fields. And there you have it. A whirlwind tour of the miniature yet mighty world of ribosomes. Remember, these tiny structures have a big job, making proteins that allow us to grow, heal, and carry out all life's functions. I hope you found this journey inside the cell both informative and intriguing. Keep exploring, and you'll see how even the smallest elements, like ribosomes, have enormous stories to tell. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!